Welcome! In this video you'll learn how to review newly discovered software components to ensure they're properly classified and that the license demand is under control. IBM License Metric Tool are effective applications for helping you track and manage the software in your infrastructure. Once you've completed the installation and configuration of License Metric Tool, your first task will be to create a baseline of your software inventory by reviewing and classifying all the software components that were discovered. After that task has been completed, you can then shift to a different mode of operation and focus only on the software that has been recently discovered in your enterprise. Let's take a look at how you can efficiently perform the periodic task of reviewing and classifying the software components that were recently discovered. We start by creating a report view that shows only software components that were detected within the last week and whose classification is not confirmed. In the top navigation bar, click Reports and choose Software Classification. To filter the report, hover over the Settings icon and click Configure View. As you can see, the report already has some default filters applied. We'll add 2 more. For the first filter, choose Discovery Start, Starting 1 week ago. This filter limits the report to components that were discovered within the last week. It ensures that you focus only on recently discovered components. This time period can of course be adjusted according to your needs. For example, you can check for components discovered a day before or within the last month, depending on the dynamics of your infrastructure. For the second filter, choose Confirmed equal to No. This filter limits the report to components whose assignment has not been confirmed. It ensures that once you review and confirm the assignment of a component, it's no longer shown on the report and doesn't obscure the view. The report shows only components that need your attention. Click Submit to apply the filters to the default report. To have quick access to this report view in the future, hover over the Settings icon and click Save As. Specify the name of the report, for example, Recently Discovered. You can also choose additional options depending on whether you want this report to be private or to be a default view of the base report. Once you're done, click Create. The report is now available in the drop-down menu at the top left corner. Go through the list of the newly discovered software components and verify whether they're assigned to products to which they belong according to the license agreement. If the components are not assigned correctly, reassign them. Otherwise, confirm the assignment. Confirmed components are removed from the report view. To further facilitate this process, you can set up email notifications to be sent to specific recipients when new entries appear on the report. This way, you don't need to log in to License Metric Tool to check whether new software was discovered. Instead, you will be automatically notified. To set up email notifications, hover over the Export Report icon and click Schedule Report. Specify the list of recipients, and optionally you can also specify items such as report format, page size, or language. Select the option to send the notification when a specific number of rows is exceeded in the report, and provide the number of rows. We'll use 0 to be notified whenever any entry appears on the report. You can now be sure that you'll be notified whenever new software components require your attention. Here's the takeaway. 1. You can facilitate regular tracking of newly discovered software components by setting up report filters. Create filters that limit the report to software components that were discovered within a specific time period and whose classification has not been confirmed. 2. You can expedite the component review process by setting email notifications to be sent whenever new software components are detected. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the links below and visit IBM.com